We're going to do a brief video on meta stock analysis, and we've got a daily chart here for you of Meta Platforms. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. And as we can see, Meta's been in a bear market since about January of 2022, had this huge gap here and has yet to be filled. The 200-day moving average clearly shows it's in a bear market, and it's not making new lows today, but it is in the news. It's down almost 4% on 9 million shares. Normal volume is 27 million shares a day. It's down $5 at about 135 right here at about 11 o'clock on the 5th of October. If we take a look at this chart real quick, we can see that Meta's gone sideways through the middle of June all the way down to the middle of September, and now it's starting to break down. So let's take a look. We can expand this a little bit and see exactly what's going on. You'll see that it's below the 20-day moving average. The 5-day moving average is kind of going flat here, but it's definitely still way below the 200-day moving average, which is way back up here. So this stock's in a deep sell-off, still in a very, very serious bear market situation, and there's not a whole lot more to say about it. The rallies that you saw here yesterday, just a little blip up here, some tiny little bit of short covering, didn't even approach the 20-day moving average. So this stock's really weak. Then my downside target for this stock is really hard to say. If we go back to a weekly chart, I'm not sure if they have any data from Meta. If we go back here, we're looking at a low of 137.10, and I think we've already broke that. So we definitely have broke that. It's 134.12. So we've broke this weekly low all the way back here from March 20th. Let's go all the way back here now to December 7th, December 24th, these are weeks, so the week of the 17th. For December of 2018, we're looking at $123 range right in here. So that's definitely the next target, the low 20s. Low 120s for Meta. There's really just nothing else in the way, and we're probably going to get in the 20s and test that. How could we do the opposite? Well, if we catch some support, don't violate this price right here, which is 134.12. Catch some support from the 5-day moving average and get above the 20-day moving average, then this could be a $150 stock. I don't see that happening. I think you'll probably get a short-term rally into the 140s maybe, and then a continuation down into the 120s to test that support. That's my best guess right this minute, all for entertainment purposes only. Let's see what RBAM research says about it. We do algorithmically generated prices for Meta, which we still call Facebook on here, and as you can see, it has no entry prices today. Zero means the algorithm did not think today was a good day to buy, and so we have nothing for you today for algorithmically generated prices for Meta. But again, short-term target in the 120s if we continue to have this sell-off. You can get all of our algorithmically generated prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. We put out algorithmically generated prices for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. No credit card required, no costs whatsoever. You just head over to the link in the description below to rbamresearch.com and sign up with your email address. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We'd love to hear from you. If you want to leave us a comment, keep in mind all of our entry prices and all of our analysis is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.